Ano ai vale. O wau kumu mai le noʻeau from the island of Molokai, coming to you from Kahalehoaka. Today's ʻōlelo noʻeau for Manaʻo Mondays is ue kalani ola ka honua. Let's break it down and say it with me. Ue kalani ola ka honua. Ue kalani translates to when the sky weeps. Ue means to cry. Kalani, the heavens. When the heavens cry, what happens? Ola ka honua. The earth lives. So this is said when we have rains that come down and bless our islands, and we can see immediately after, the next day, everything turns beautiful and green immediately. So we can see right there how blessed we become from the tears that the heavens weep. So let's say it all together. Ue kalani ola ka honua. Mai ka iloa. Our ha'awino ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is the name for our great Pacific Ocean. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Moananuiakea. Let's do it one more time. Hana ho. Moananuiakea. Maikai, moana, meaning the ocean, the larger ocean. Nui, great. Akea means expansive, the great expansive ocean. And all throughout the Pacific, you'll find that people have different names for the Pacific Ocean, but they're all very similar. Moananuiakiwa, Moananuiahiwa, Moananuiakea. So it's all this great ocean that we call home. And I like to say we're the biggest continent on the planet because all of us Pacific Islanders are very much ohana, very much alike. And our origins begin in this great Moananuiakea. Mai ka iloa a hui ho, malama pono.